what it is.
Got you in the cut.
You can do anything you want when you sexy.
Hey vlog, we're at High Falls Park in Jackson, Georgia. They got the play sets with caution tape because of Corona.
Scrolling through these texts.
Take my Mother's Day picture.
It's a video. Welcome to the vlog. Say something to the vlog.
Hi vlog. We're walking outside on Mother's Day, quarantine.
Woo! Quarantine Mother's Day. Yay!
What's up YouTube, it's the Janea here. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And you know I got new videos on the way. Hope you all are having a beautiful day. Bless up.